Samsung's latest watches are coming August 27th, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I've got them both right here. Let's unbox them. So the first thing you should know about these two new watches is that they're a kind of whole new experience for Samsung. This is the first watch to get Google's new Wear OS 3, which is going to be on Samsung's watches for the first time. Samsung had its own OS before. This new Fusion OS is supposed to provide the best of Samsung's apps and Google's apps all in one to sync with your phone more easily and feel more interconnected with even things like the Galaxy Buds. Pretty interesting, and it sounds like it's pointing towards being the ultimate watch for Android owners. The watch starts in two different configurations, which I've got both right here. The Galaxy Watch 4, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. One starts at $250, the Watch 4. The Watch 4 Classic is a step-up model. That one has a rotating bezel, stainless steel finish. That is $350. Now the Galaxy Watch 4, $250, seems like it's got all the features that you'd want and not have to pay up quite so much. Same promise on battery life and performance, same high resolution Super AMOLED display, which is higher resolution than the previous Samsung watches. And they both have a completely new sensor on the back, which you can see in a moment. That bioactive sensor has a combination of optical heart rate, ECG, which is the electrocardiogram for checking possibilities of an arrhythmic atrial fibrillation. That is one particular part of something you should see your doctor about. It's not a complete heart scan, remember, just it's a one lead ECG. And the third sensor, which is totally new, is electrical bioimpedance. Now what that is an electrical circuit that gets started when you put your two fingers on the buttons on the side of the Samsung watch that will scan your body to see what your water levels are, what your muscle mass is, what your BMI is. This is supposed to give a comprehensive body analysis. It's the type of stuff that you might see on some scales. We don't know how this is going to work on a watch. This tech had been on some watches going way back to the Jawbone Up 3, and we haven't seen it recently. Samsung's hoping to give a total body analysis, and I'll see how it works on my wrist. The OS is totally new. This Samsung Google OS has all new gestures, all new apps and watch faces, new updated Google apps, and so we can swipe through that in a bit. The charger is once again a magnetic snap-on charger that comes in the box. The charger snaps on magnetically, but it's a standard USB end. And that's pretty much all I got inside the box with both of these. The silicone watch straps feel nice. They have a little pin to release them, so you could attach standard watch straps that fit that size. Getting the pin in is a little bit challenging. And the watch looks really sleek. Samsung watches have always looked really good. The hardware looks like it's actually lighter weight, more compact than previous Samsung watches. What I'm really interested in is how that new OS, how that software interfaces with a new Samsung processor, with the extra RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, and their support for apps like Spotify for music, their support for Strava, Calm, and other fitness apps that are going to be compatible. This uses Samsung Health as the main fitness ecosystem here. That should eventually work with Google Fit as well. And there seems to be kind of a transition with Google, with Google Fit and Fitbit, which will probably be resolved down the road. But you'll be kind of living in Samsung's fitness world, and that's the stuff that makes the most of the bioactive sensor and sleep tracking, which also does snore detection, which you can do using the microphone on your Android phone, which I'm going to test in the next few days. So that's pretty much all I know right now about this watch. There's a separate LTE version that's $50 more. There's two different sizes. By the way, the ones you've seen here are the larger size watch for my larger wrists. And I look forward to diving in a lot more on these watches in a full review. It's just a quick look, unboxing them here, giving them a spin, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to trying out the very many features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4.